Finding an apartment in a German city is a difficult process in real life. Writing a coherent forum post about it under a time limit for your B1 exam presents a double challenge. The prompt you are given is Wohnung suchen und persönliche Kontakte. It asks you to discuss whether personal contacts are the best way to find housing. Success here depends on more than just vocabulary. It requires a logical structure. Before we begin building the text, you need to have your basic housing vocabulary ready and possess a working understanding of how subordinate clauses function. This diagram breaks down our response into a 4-part template: stating your opinion, giving a reason, sharing a personal experience, and writing a conclusion. Following this sequence provides a roadmap for the writing process. It helps ensure that every structural requirement the examiner is grading is addressed as you build the response. For the first block, state your opinion with meiner Meinung nach. Crucially, the conjugated verb must immediately follow nach, not the subject. In block 2, we add reasons, starting with simple observations. Man spart Geld and man braucht keinen Makler. To reach the B1 level, we must connect these thoughts using a conjunction like weil or deshalb. Inserting weil forces the conjugated verb out of its normal position and pushes it to the end of the subordinate clause. Demonstrating control over these two mechanics, placing the verb in position 2 for opinions and pushing it to the end for reasons, shows the examiner you can handle B1 sentence structures. Moving to the third block, we share a personal experience. Let's use this scenario. 2 years ago, you were looking for an apartment, and a colleague helped you. Pause the video. Translate the scenario into German and connect the two thoughts using the conjunction als. Here is the correct translation. Look at the grammatical boundary separating the two clauses. This is the verb-verb rule. Because the sentence begins with us, the two verbs sit side by side, separated by the comma. We close out the fourth block with a summary sentence. Zusammenfassend kann man sagen, dass persönliche Kontakte sehr wertvoll sind. Linking a personal anecdote to a concluding statement shows the examiner that you can maintain a logical argument through to the end of the text. This is the completed response. The color coding reveals the mechanics. The opinion phrases are in blue, the connectors are in green, and the required verb placements are in red. Meiner Meinung nach ist das der beste Weg, über Freunde eine Wohnung zu finden, weil man das Geld für den Makler spart. Als ich vor 2 Jahren eine Wohnung suchte, half mir ein Kollege. Zusammenfassend kann man sagen, dass persönliche Kontakte sehr wertvoll sind. Use this 3-point checklist for your exam. First, start your opinion with meiner Meinung nach and follow it immediately with a verb. Second, use at least 2 connectors. Third, check your verb placements at every comma. Verifying these specific rules before you turn in your paper helps you avoid the most common deductions. Mastering this structured approach allows you to apply the same logic to any opinion text the B1 exam presents.